The Shiba Inu community isn't ready for this. Coinbase just did the unthinkable. Billions of Shiba Inu have been bought. The supplies are almost out of hand, and this might signal the upcoming breakthrough soon. What is happening? And why does this make sense? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Something big just shook the entire Shiba Inu community. Coinbase just dropped a bombshell and it's making serious waves. Today, out of nowhere, a massive Shiba Inu transaction went down. We're talking billions of tokens suddenly moving, and it's got everyone buzzing. This isn't just some random whale flex. Nope. This kind of movement usually hints at something much bigger brewing behind the scenes. It's not just noise. This could be the early sign of a major shift. People are now scrambling to figure out what this could mean. Is it a strategic move? A partnership? A new listing? Or maybe a big player positioning before the next surge? Whatever it is, it has the community watching like hawks. And let's be real, when Coinbase makes a move and trillions of Shiba Inu start dancing around the blockchain, you know something serious is cooking. Now you might be wondering, has this already shown up in the price? Well, one analyst broke it down perfectly. He said Shiba Inu is pushing up from the bottom. It's climbing back with strength, showing a clean upward trend and surprising momentum. Right now, Shiba Inu has gained solid ground. It's not just rising, it's holding firm above some really important levels. There's a ton of interest flooding in, and trading activity over the past 24 hours has exploded. We're talking volume in the trillions, meaning a lot of eyes and money are on Shiba Inu right now. And what's even more bullish? The price touched a recent high and didn't crash back down. It's staying strong. That kind of behavior shows confidence. It's not just hype, it's holding. Which tells you this might just be the beginning. The energy is shifting. And with this level of volume, attention, and mystery surrounding the transaction, the Shiba Inu chart could be setting up for something huge. So what just happened? Well, it looks like someone out there is quietly making big moves. And it's all about Shiba Inu. A mystery wallet just pulled over 111 billion Shiba Inu tokens straight out of Coinbase, one of the top crypto exchanges in the US. That's not just a small trade or some lucky investor cashing in. This is more than $1.3 million worth of Shiba Inu being moved in a single shot. And get this, it's not even the first time. Just 3 days before this massive transfer, the same exact wallet made another huge grab. About $1.1 million in Shiba Inu. Same sender, same destination. No selling, no flipping, just accumulating. Now this wallet is sitting on a mountain of tokens. Over 207 billion Shiba Inu, which is close to $2.5 million just sitting there, untouched. Here's where it gets interesting. Nobody knows who owns this wallet. It's not linked to any known fund, exchange, or influencer. It's completely silent. And it hasn't moved any of the tokens out. This isn't someone looking for quick gains. This is someone loading up hard and holding tight. The question is, why? Why would someone stack this much Shiba Inu right now? And more importantly, what do they know that the rest of us don't? Is this an early move before a major announcement? Is it part of a bigger rotation behind the scenes? Or maybe it's just a ghost whale quietly betting on the long-term moonshot. Whatever the reason is, one thing is clear. 111 billion Shiba Inu just left Coinbase, and someone out there is playing a much bigger game. And when whales start making silent moves like this, retail usually catches on after the fact. So if this is the beginning of something massive, now's the time to pay attention. And here's the crazy part. While Shiba Inu was making headlines with that massive wallet move, something unusual has been brewing quietly on the Ethereum side too. And barely anyone's talking about it. Daily transactions on the Ethereum network are suddenly heating up. And not just a little. We're talking levels we haven't seen since the peak of 2021. Back when the crypto market was in full beast mode. That kind of activity doesn't just spike without a reason. Something's building. And what's wild is, it's happening right now, while most people are distracted, not even noticing. Yet, despite all this action, the spotlight's not on Ethereum. Not yet anyway. But it's about to be. Ethereum is gearing up to prove a whole lot of people wrong. While the hype lately has shifted toward newer chains, meme coins, and AI tokens, Ethereum's quietly reclaiming dominance, processing insane traffic, showing strength, and laying the groundwork for what could be its next breakout. And here's where it gets even more interesting. When you look at Coinbase, one of the biggest on-ramps for both retail and institutions, both Ethereum and Shiba Inu are suddenly seeing huge attention at the same time. A mystery wallet pulls hundreds of billions in Shiba Inu from Coinbase. Ethereum transaction volume is spiking to near record highs. That doesn't feel random. Could this be a coordinated rotation? Is Coinbase seeing smart money quietly shift into long-term plays before the next bull run fully kicks off? Shiba Inu and Ethereum, two coins with completely different vibes, are both getting serious traction, and all of it is happening quietly, behind the curtain. Whatever this is, it's more than just coincidence. When Ethereum starts moving like this, and whales start stacking Shiba Inu on the side, it's often a sign that the smart money is already positioning ahead of the curve. And if Coinbase is where it's all going down, we might just be witnessing the setup of something big. But here's the exciting part. Because of all that action behind the scenes, Shiba Inu is finally back. After weeks of quiet moves and sideways trading, something big just happened. On June 30th, Shiba Inu officially rejoined the Trillionaire Club. That means total on-chain transaction volume soared past 1 trillion tokens in a single day. That kind of activity doesn't just show up unless something serious is going on. It's a clear sign. The network is waking up, and momentum is coming back strong. But it's not just about the volume. It's about what followed. From its low point in late June, Shiba Inu has made a crazy bounce. It climbed from way down in the weeds to nearly doubling in just a matter of days. That's a 72% recovery in less than 10 days. Quiet, steady, and powerful. And here's the kicker. It's now trading above the 26-day EMA for the first time since May. That means it's not just rebounding, it's breaking out. This breakout wasn't random either. It came right after price pushed through a key ascending trend line, one that's been holding firm since the lows of late June. That's technical strength, and it shows there's real buying pressure behind this rally, not just hype. So what does that mean for where Shiba Inu is right now? It's in a strong position. The price is climbing with purpose. Volume is rising. Whales are accumulating. And Ethereum's resurgence is only adding fuel to the fire. Shiba Inu isn't just tagging along. It's leading the move for meme coins right now. All the signs are pointing in one direction, bullish. The return to trillion token transaction volume, the price breakout above key indicators, the whale accumulation from Coinbase, and the renewed energy in the Ethereum ecosystem. Put all that together, and we might be looking at the early stages of a massive run. So yeah, Shiba Inu is back. And if this momentum holds, we haven't even seen the real fireworks yet. And even looking at the long term, there's every reason to believe in Shiba Inu. Just like what Lucy, the lead marketer of Shiba Inu, reminded us in her recent tweet. She said, "Cheers to the real ones in this space, the ones doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. We need more people who actually care." And honestly, that speaks volumes about what's driving this project. It's not just hype or short-term pumps. It's about building something real with people who genuinely believe in the mission. Through all the ups and downs, the Shiba Inu team has kept their head down and kept working. And right now, we're seeing the results of that dedication starting to surface. With whales accumulating, volume exploding, and the community stronger than ever, Shiba Inu is showing serious signs of life, not just as a meme, but as a movement. The comeback we're seeing right now? It's powered by that same belief. Belief in the project, the purpose, and the people behind it. So as we look forward, it's not just about price. It's about the foundation being built. And that kind of belief, that's what creates the next wave. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.